Incredible. It looks like it's been here for years.
It's surreal. Let's get a closer look.
Let's get a closer look inside.
Careful, it looks unstable.
I see some numbers on the panel.
I'll note them down.
This ivy is tough.
Keep going. We're almost through.
It's clear. I'm going in.
Be careful. Watch for sharp edges.
Got it. There's a lot of debris in here. Ready? On 3.
1, 2, 3.
Careful, root ahead.
Got it. To the right.
Down here.
Okay, let's get these untangled.
Here, take this end.
Thanks. This one's tricky.
I'll hold it steady. Pull harder, it's moving!
I'm trying. It's so heavy.
Steady now, it's filling up.
Almost there. It's heavy.
Okay, ready? On 3.
Ready.
1, 2, 3, lift!
It's up. Checking level.
Good. All right, that's deep enough.
Good. Let's check the other side.
Okay, that's 450 right there.
Good. Let's check the next bay.
Right, I'll get this.
This whole section is solid. Look, these symbols match the map.
You're right, this is the spot.
We need to find the source.
Agreed. Okay, let's get this right.
Right there looks good.
Hold it steady for me.
Marking it now.
Perfect.
Okay, I've got 96 inches here.
All right, mark it there.
Got it. That's the last one.
Great, let's pack up.
Okay, right there.
Got it, drilling now.
Watch for cracks.
Clear, one more spot.
Looks good. Wow, this view is incredible.
It really is. I'm glad we stopped.
Hold it steady there.
Got it.
Perfect. Now for the next one.
On it.
Okay, hold it steady right there.
Got it. Is the top edge aligned?
Looks good. Push it up a bit more.
All right, it's in.
Okay, let's push it up.
Ready? On 3.
Looks good. Okay, the next one is at 24 inches.
Got it, drilling now.
Perfect. Now move it left 6 inches. Let's check the level on this.
Looks good, bubble centered.
Great. Let's close it and check the next section.
Okay, moving to the window.
Looks perfect. Good work.
Okay, hold it steady.
It's secure. How's that?
Perfect, next section. Okay, tightening the main fitting.
Looks good. Need me to hold the pipe?
Yeah, just for a second.
Got it.
Okay, secure.
This side is aligned. How's the panel?
Good, securing it now.
Okay, I'm adjusting this bracket.
Looks good. How's the sink coming along?
Almost done. Just testing the faucet now.
Looks good, all set here. Hold it steady there.
Got it. Drilling now.
Good, next, the brace.
Ready? How's the alignment?
Looks perfect.
Is that measurement right?
Yeah, it's perfect, go ahead.
Okay, starting the drill.
Keep it steady.
Looks good.
There, that's secure now.
Beautiful view, isn't it?
Perfect spot for it.
Absolutely. Okay, drilling now.
Bubble centered, go.
Done. How's that?
Perfect, next one.
Is it firm enough?
Yeah, feels perfect.
Great, I'll smooth it out.
Looks good, what a view. Okay, let's lower it down slowly.
Got it. Guiding the cable.
Perfect, now secure the bracket.
All set.
Okay, lowering it down.
Steady. It's on. Now for the cable.
Got it. Connecting. This controls the cabin pressure.
And the temperature?
That's this dial here.
Got it. Looks simple.
It is.
How's the torque?
Almost there. One more turn.
Okay, check the level.
Looks solid.
Ready to check the edge.
Roger, watching the waves.
Looks stable. Extending now.
Copy, ready.
This side's tight. Check yours.
Yep, almost there.
Good. Looks secure.
Look at those waves crashing.
It's incredible. The wind is so strong.
Let's move closer.
Okay, hold it there.
Got it. Tightening now.
Yes, that corner.
So